Waqf Amendment Act lisingani kunga mangagi mayokda Supreme Court petition file tauragani haina wabagai AC da mirep oikiba social activist Sakir Ahmed na fongdorakli Kakching district ki Sekmaizin da leiba mahaki yumda paumi singa unabamada Sakir na makha taraduna act asi fundamental right ki manung chaliba right to religious freedom ki mayoktani aduga act asina India da leiriba Muslim singbu aduki matik thawai nungai handrei Waqf board ki leiriba property singa sida Muslim singi yamna maru oiriba Nama Sonfam Masjid Dharmagi Oiba Mahitamfam Madrasa Asida Asibasingi Fumfam Oriba Kabrastan Amadi Orphan Home Nachingba Yauri Lebasida Leriba Dharma Kudingmaki Board Natraga Organization Makal Kaya Lay Makogi Property Su Masing Tingam Danalay Makogi Property Adu Dharmagi Matung Inna Seasonary Loinana Property Sing Adubu Control Tongnabaleriba Board Sing Aduda Atopa Dharmagi Mioy Amata Yawiade Adubu Laibak Tivadi Narendra Modi na Luchingba BJP Lengasana Kari Maramgi Muslim Sing Kaktagi Oina Laizaba Board Asida Atopa Dharmagi Mioy Hapchinaba Lo Semlak Libano Asigumba BJP ka Henba Thawong Kaya Sidagi Manipur Madi India da Leriba Muslim Sing na Ek Asigi Mayokta Iho Lakhibani Haina Fongdokhi
The Waqf Board Amendment Bill has become an act. Now we don't have another option. We have to knock the door of Supreme Court. So I'm going to challenge the act in the Supreme Court. You know that this act is totally unconstitutional and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji trying to exploit our freedom, equality and our right. So we will knock the door of Supreme Court. We will fight for the justice. If we don't fight today, tomorrow they will exploit your right, equality and everything. Let's hope for the best.